Today, we're counting down 10 Japanese inventions that changed the world. Not cool gadgets. I mean inventions that quietly run your life daily. Phones, trains, factories, food. And one of these is literally the reason your battery, your storage, and your internet life even work. Let's go, Japan edition. Number 10, Toyota Just-in-Time Production System. The system that made fast the default. Toyota built the Toyota Production System, and Taiichi Ohno helped shape its core ideas, especially just-in-time, meaning make what's needed, when it's needed, without mountains of waste. It changed manufacturing worldwide. If you've ever wondered why stuff arrives quickly, this is part of the reason. Number 9, the bullet train. The Tokaido Shinkansen opened in the year 1964, and it's widely recognized as the world's first high-speed rail line. It didn't just make trains faster, it rewired what commuting distance even means, and it became the blueprint for high-speed rail around the world. Number 8, the blue LED, aka the missing color. For decades, engineers had red and green, but blue was the hard one. In the early 1990s, breakthroughs by Akasaki, Amano, and Nakamura made bright blue LEDs possible, leading to efficient white LED lighting. That's why modern lighting uses less energy and lasts way longer. Tiny diode. Massive global impact. Akasaki, Amano, and Nakamura win 2014 Nobel Prize for Physics. Number 7, the Walkman. The Sony Walkman was a collaborative effort involving several key figures at Sony, along with a controversial legal battle with an independent inventor. The first Sony Walkman went on sale in Japan in July 1979, and suddenly music became portable and personal. Before that, listening on the go was complicated. After that, headphones became a lifestyle. And the idea paved the way for everything from MP3 players to streaming culture. Number 6, emoji. In 1999, NTT Docomo released an early set of emoji for mobile messaging, designed to communicate fast in tiny spaces. In the late 90s, a Japanese artist, Shigetaka Kurita, creates the first emoji to express complex emotions in a simple way. Now, emoji are basically the internet's second language. One small symbol can replace a whole paragraph, and yes, Japan started that. Number 5, karaoke. Karaoke machines took off in Japan, and the origin story has more than one name. Early karaoke-style machines are linked to Shigechi Negishi in the late 1960s, and Daisuke Inoue is famous for popularizing a machine in 1971. Either way, Japan turned singing along into a global industry. And every awkward birthday party ever since is evidence. Number 4, flash memory, your phone's memory. Japanese engineer Fujio Masuoka invented flash memory concepts at Toshiba. And NAND flash was presented and introduced in the 1980s, with NAND highlighted in 1987. This is why your devices can store tons of data without spinning disks. Photos, videos, documents, apps, all living in tiny chips. No flash memory, no modern pocket computer. Number 3, lithium-ion batteries. Akira Yoshino is credited with key work that led to the modern, rechargeable lithium-ion battery. And the first commercial lithium-ion batteries were sold in Japan in '91. This is the battery that powers smartphones, laptops, and electric vehicles. Basically, a portable life. If your day starts by unplugging something, thank this invention. Number 2, instant noodles. In 1958, Momofuku Ando created the world's first instant noodles, chicken ramen. It was fast, affordable, and ridiculously scalable. Now it's everywhere. Dorm rooms, offices, emergency kits, and late-night cravings. One invention, billions of meals. Number 1, the QR code. In 1994, Denso Wave released the QR code to track parts fast in manufacturing. Masahiro Hara initially developed the quick response code to boost efficiency in the manufacturing industry. Now it runs payments, tickets, menus, logins, basically modern tap-to-do stuff. It's a tiny square that became a global shortcut for reality. That's 10 Japanese inventions that changed the world. Which one blew your mind? Flash memory, blue LEDs, or QR codes? Comment the next country, and I'll build the next episode.